All right, Friday morning, September the 23rd in Lexington, Kentucky, and it is chilly. It's 8 degrees Celsius here this morning, so unexpected. I expected some pretty warm weather down here, but I'm actually happy that it's cooler. So we've got a lot of beautiful cars in the parking lot, and mine definitely needs to be wiped down this morning. Got lots of dew over it. So it's nice to see mine parked in a line with the others. I resisted the urge to park it back in the trailer overnight. So it's looking good. We've got quite a few 250s here. We got about 1, 2, 3, 4 just in this little area here. There's 5 and 6 down there, and there's quite a few more kicking around. So obviously lots of TR6s as well. There's another 250 over there, that powder blue. It's a beautiful car. It's a hardtop TR6. And the line just keeps going. So we'll feature these cars once we do the car show, which is tomorrow. We'll do a better in-depth review of them. But here they are, all parked in the parking lot overnight. From places far and near. Alright, I'm going to wipe the car down, have some breakfast. Alright, everybody's up and about and lining up for the distillery tour. This is for the Buffalo Trace distillery tour this morning. You had to sign up. They only had a maximum of 40 people to go on this one. So we're not going on the distillery tour this morning. We're actually going to go on a drive around 10:30 this morning. And we've got our membership meeting at 9 o'clock. So I think what we're going to do, we've got ours warming up, and we're going to head and find some gas, get ready for our afternoon trip. So the sun's coming up. It's going to be a beautiful day. Right now, like I said, it's a little chilly, but I'd rather it be chilly than stifling hot. So quite the sound out here. I'm sure we woke up a few of the hotel guests. They're staying on this side of the hotel. All right. There's a nice license plate in front of us. We always enjoy seeing at the trials. So here are the cars lined up for our first tour of the event. We're going to the, I think it's the NADA tunnels is the way it's pronounced. So it's a 4 to 5 hour drive, and there's a lunch stop in there somewhere. So we're just getting ready to go. We're going to follow the leader. Hopefully we'll be able to keep up. So there's the lead car. It looks like a sapphire blue TR6 with cone eggs on it. So anyway, I'm not sure how many cars are going to be going on this trip. There was about 40 people that attended the distillery tour this morning. So we were split off into a couple of different groups. So we're going to have fun. We'll make the best of it. And hopefully we return under our own power. It's an adventure. Alright, we're on our first drive, and the leaves are falling. It's nice and cool. A couple TRs in the front, and probably about, I don't know, 12 or so TRs in the back. Car's running well so far. We just followed a dump truck for the last 10 minutes or so, as per usual. So anyway, car's running well so far. Gotta switch gears. See ya.
No, it's okay.
We made it to our first stop successfully. We had a good first drive. We had her up to 70 on the highway, and had some nice twisty roads. So here's all the cars on tour with us. Always some beautiful cars here. We've got a Stag with us. This used to be the Roadster Factory Triumph TR250. Pretty cool. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It looks like 11 cars on tour. Pretty cool.
That was the attraction of the day?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I enjoyed it.
Yeah. I enjoy the road here. Nice. Oh my god. Okay, sorry for the shaky camera.
Out of 13 or 14 left in our group. So we've gone through the tunnel, we've come back through the tunnel, and now we're going back through the tunnel. So we're getting our money's worth on this trip.
Yeah, some bonus passes on the tunnel.
That's right. Okay, back at the tunnel again. Lights on.
you can see your rear license plate.
Another stone.
Another boat.
Yeah, we hope it's a stone, not a bolt. We're back at the hotel. It is almost 6 p.m. So we've been out for a while. So that was a good shakedown run. We didn't baby it, and the car ran very well. I'm very impressed. Lots of power. Suspension's great, handled well, and didn't let us down, most importantly. So we had a good day. We saw some really nice roads today, fantastic roads, and roads that I think rivaled our trips previously to the Tail of the Dragon. They were that twisty, lots of elevation changes. So really enjoyed the drive today, and the car performed wonderfully and brought us back home safely. So all is good. Everybody's getting ready now to get ready for the car show tomorrow morning. So we've kind of parked in our appropriate locations here in the parking lot. I'm probably going to maybe take mine over to the car wash station, which is kind of busy at the moment. People getting their cars ready. It's a bit of a parking lot party at the moment. Everybody's got a beverage in hand, except for this guy who's going to have a beverage in hand shortly. I can guarantee that. Maybe two. So everybody's having a good time, just chatting it up. So yeah, I saw lots of nice cars out on the road today. So that was a very fun and enjoyable day. All right.
Just start to